creating a new project with Premiere Pro. So we're here in the welcome screen, and we can come up and we can select new project. Likewise, if we already have one made, we can go to the open project, but we're going to go with a new project. So we're going to click on it. And it's going to bring us up to the new project dialog box. Up on the top, we're going to give it a name. So for example, I'll give it a name as Class Reunion. And we want to put it in its location. Now I'm going to browse, and I'm going to browse out to my external hard drive. And in my external hard drive, I'm going to find a folder, and I'm going to place it in there. Okay. So I'm going to say select that folder. So I like external hard drives because we get a lot of large files, and I don't always want to fill up my C drive or my hard drive on my computer with all the big files. Now we have these different tabs here. I'm clicking on General, and in the General here we have these different settings. I recommend you choose the default settings for the video rendering, the video, the audio, and the capture. So that brings us over to the scratch disk. In the scratch disk, these specify the location of our scratch disk, and they are right now going to the path that we set up here in our location. All these are set for same as project. That means they're going to put the files in this folder. Now, that's okay if it's a real small project. You could just come along and say okay. But if it's a larger project, I like to put these, as a better practice, to put these in a folder called captured video, another folder called captured audio, another folder called video previews, another folder audio previews, another folder called auto save, another folder called library downloads, and another folder called template media, or whatever. And then you browse out to that particular folder. So for example, I would create a folder. Let me create a folder here, and you're not going to see me create a folder, but I'm going to create this new folder, and I'm going to call this, just for example, capture video. I know you're not seeing it. I have another monitor, so hold on a second. So captured video. And so now I can come out and say browse, and I can come out to my folder, to my videos, to my subfolder, and there's my captured video, and I can say select folder. And so now I'm putting it under the same directory as up here, but I have a folder for each one with captured video. I'd make another one here with captured audio, and that way things get separated out, and it allows for more organization when we create a larger project. So if we were going to do an in-depth type of Premiere Pro project, I would definitely separate them out. For a smaller one, I can just leave them all, say same as project. All right, then when we're done, we hit OK, and we've created our new project.